Hi kids, welcome to Kaiko Lessons. The chapter which we are going to discuss today is The Balloon Man, which is taken from the book Marigold, English, Class 3, NCERT. And this is Prithvi Vinod who is going to present you this video. Does the balloon man visit your market? Let's see what this balloon man brings with him. The balloon man. He always comes on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch. And in the market square he stays and never seems to think of lunch. They are red and purple, blue and green. And when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them signing far away. And some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string. And if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Someday perhaps he will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. And this poem is by Rose Feilman. What are the new words given in this poem? Bunch, square, sunny and tug. Let us see the meaning and make sentences for the new words. Bunch. A number of things of the same kind kept together. I ate a bunch of grapes in the morning. Square. A four-sided area surrounded by buildings. Meet me at the market square. Sunny. Bright sunlight. It was a sunny day outside. Tug. Pull hard. The prisoner tugged the chain. Reading is fun. Where does the balloon man stand? The balloon man stood in the market square. What happens to the balloon when there is a wind? The balloon starts tugging when there is a wind. What does the child like to see the balloon man do? The child would like the balloon man to let the balloons go sailing high in the sky. Talk time. How high can balloons fly? The balloons can fly very high depending upon the wind. What do you like about this poem? I love watching colorful balloons fly. The child in the poem also likes the same. That's what I like about the poem. Word building. Identify the words from the jumble letter and write the word in the space provided. What is this? Balloons, blue, below, lunch, people, caught. Put the words given in the box into the following groups. Nature. Which all things comes under nature? Sky, grass and wind. Food. Turnip, pineapple and rice. Colors. Green, purple, yellow and white. How many colors can you find hidden in this maze? Write their names. Here are those colors: white, red, orange, purple, yellow, blue, violet, white, brown and pink. White, red, violet, brown, purple, pink. Fill in the blanks in the balloons with their opposites. You can find them in the poem The Balloon Man. One is done for you. Never, always, small, big, rainy, sunny, low, high, sit, stand, near, far, small, big. It should be BIG and not BIGS. Team time. Take any magazine or newspaper which have colorful pages. Cut out balloons of various sizes and shapes carefully using a pair of scissors. Paste the balloon on a large sheet of paper. Arrange them to make colorful bunch of balloons. Draw a string for each balloon in different colors. Say aloud: string, stream, strong, stand, sting, still, haul, haul, might, might,